Hello and welcome to MAQ. Subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for the latest notifications. So today I'm going to show you some basic Linux commands in Parrot OS. So let's get operating systems kernel. You might have heard of Unix. Well, Linux is Unix clone, but it is open source. That means that you can simply change anything in Linux and redistribute it in your name. There are several Linux distributions commonly called distros like Ubuntu, Red Hat Enterprise, Linux Mint, Debian, Fob, and many more. And Parrot is also a distro of the Linux. So today we are using the Parrot for our demonstration. So first open a terminal. So basically a shell is a program that receives commands from the user and gives it to the OS to process, and it shows the output. Linux shell is its main part. It distros come in GUI, which is graphical user interface, but basically Linux has a CLI, command line interface. In tutorial we are going to cover the basic commands that we use in the shell of Linux. So the first command is pwd. It gives us the absolute path, which means the path that starts from the root. The root is the base of the Linux file system. The user directory is usually something like home/username. In my case, it is user. So the next command is ls. Use the ls command to know what files are in the directory you are in. So here are all the folders which are present in the current directory. You can also show the hidden files by using the command ls /a. So you can see the hidden folders which are not shown in the above command. So the next command is cd. If you are in home directory and you want to go to other directory like desktop, so type cd desktop. So now you can see we are in desktop directory. So we are going to create a directory on desktop. For that we are going to use mkdir command. So type mkdir name of the directory. As you can see, my test directory is created. So now we are going to remove the directory. For that we are going to use the command rmdir name of the directory. So as you can see, our directory is deleted. For creating a new file we use the command touch. For example, making a text document, just type touch name of the document .txt. So as you can see, our test.txt document is ready, but it is empty from inside. So now to remove this document we use the command rm. So type rm test.txt. It will delete our text document. So as you can see, the text document is deleted. So the next command is cp. cp is used to copy the file or directory to another directory. So for example, we are going to copy a mac.txt file to the home directory. So for that, just type mac.txt space the directory we are going to paste. In my case, it is home/user. So now a file is copied to the directory. As you can see, mac.txt is here. It is the file which we copied using the command cp. So here you can see it is now present in the directories also. So we are removing the file. And now you can see the file is deleted. Here we are again in desktop directory. Now we are going to move the file. For that we use the command mv. So type mv space the file name. In my case it is mac.txt space the directory. The directory I'm using is home/user. So now you can see our file is disappeared from here, and now here it is. Our file is moved. So now you can see it is not present in this directory. So I'm going to the user directory. Now here it is. Our file is present. So the next command is help. To know more about a command and how to use it, use the help command. It shows the manual for the command. For example, cd space help. So as you can see, it shows the usage of the cd command. So now rm space help. So it shows the rm states. No, it is the full manual, or you can say the description for the rm command. Here are all the operations you can use with the rm commands. For deleting everything from the terminal, we use the command clear. Just type the clear and hit enter. So now for exiting, just type the exit and hit enter. And now we are done for today. Thank you for watching. Hit like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.